Hey guys, welcome back to a Dapper Day. Hope everybody's enjoying their day. Okay, today we're going to be looking at Fuel Network, which is a new high performance Ethereum L2. Some people are going to hear that and they're going to think, oh, it's another L2 like base, like Arbitrum. No, it's a lot different. I'm going to show you guys something interesting here. This is the CEO of Fuel Network, Nick Sway. So the other day, he posted something I thought was really interesting, made me look a little deeper into what is Fuel Network. So here you go. They've actually been building fuel for 4 years now, which is bullish. And here it says we were stupid enough to build 95% of fuel stack from scratch, meaning it's not a fork, meaning it's not Arbitrum, it's not base, it's not just some L2 that someone just says, oh, I'm going to just use Ethereum and change the name. No, they built it from scratch. They have their own wallet. They have a new virtual machine, a programming language. This is actually really bullish, guys. I want you guys to really pay attention. Anytime you see people building for this long, putting this amount of effort into a project, you want to take a look at it. Just to give you guys a little more info, here's their language. Sway Lang, a Rust-based domain-specific language for writing smart contracts, created by Fuel Labs. So they created their own language. People can come create their own virtual machine now if they want, leveraging this language. This is bullish. This reminds me of when, Sui and the Move language. If anyone's familiar with that. Okay, so today what we're going to be doing, just going to show you guys a few more things here. So yesterday they did an airdrop of the actual fuel token. Okay, anyone who was on the Fuel network, I actually got a little airdrop here. Thank you for contributing. I basically deposited some money from my Ethereum wallet over the Fuel. Uh, Went into some DeFi plays over there and earned some points, which then turned into Fuel tokens when the airdrop came. I had about roughly $90, which is not bad. It's a good start. And they also have staking, Fuel staking. I like Fuel staking. I'm not going to go too deep into Fuel staking today, but I like Fuel staking because if you guys are familiar with Base, Arbitrum, all right, Base doesn't have a token, right? They just use ETH. But then let's look at Arbitrum. They have their own token, and there's not much you can do with it. You can just vote. It's like a governance token. It's not like an actual, like not like ETH where I can stake my ETH and earn a yield from the validators. On Fuel, you could actually do that because they built their own network. So today, what we're gonna be doing actually is we're gonna bridge over some assets to Fuel. This is the Fuel bridge, guys. Sorry. So how Fuel works? Fuel has a wallet, right? This is the Fuel wallet. So when you actually interact with Fuel, you can use either your wallet. I'm gonna disconnect this just so you guys can see. You can use a Solana wallet, you can use an Ethereum wallet, or you can use a Fuel wallet, and you can bridge over into Fuel. I originally used a Ethereum wallet. Today, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send money over from an Ethereum wallet to my Fuel wallet. I just downloaded this wallet yesterday. Here it is. As you guys can see, no ETH in here. I just downloaded the wallet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bridge ETH over from the layer one, Ethereum layer one, to my Fuel wallet. So it's gonna be coming from, this is my EVM wallet, and I'm gonna connect my Fuel wallet now, and then I'm gonna send the funds over to to that wallet. So I'm gonna do that right now, guys. Point one, I think is good. Now this is my Ethereum wallet, basically letting me know, hey, you're sending $300 over. The Fuel, it's asking me if it's okay. Yes. Paying $1.60 in fees. It's not that bad for an Ethereum transaction. And now, okay, just so you guys know, when you deposit money on the Fuel, it can take up to 7 days to withdraw back to Ethereum. So this is important because if you want to sell some assets you have on Fuel, it may take a while for you to have access to that liquidity. So you don't want to put money on fuel that you'll need quickly. But 7 days is not that bad, guys. If you've like $300 just put on there, if I decide, hey, here, this is the process it's going through. It's gonna take 31 minutes. I'm gonna pause the video and then I'm gonna come back and finish it. But I'm just explaining this last thought is if you want your funds back, and let's say, if you need your funds back immediately, maybe you shouldn't be setting too much on fuel. But if you're willing to wait 7 days, it's a good opportunity. I'm gonna get into that now. I'll be back shortly. All right, guys, I'm back. 30 minutes later. It took 30 minutes for that. Usually it takes this long because, like I said, it's not your typical EVM fork. It's like a new chain, so it takes some time to get there. It takes some time to come back. All right, so as you can see here, I've got the point 0.1 ETH that I sent over. So now I have assets on the Fuel wallet, which is my first time using this wallet. So now I'm gonna go to a Dapp that I think is cool, and we're gonna deposit some funds there and start earning. Okay, this is on the Fuel website. If you go to ecosystem, they'll show you different dApps. So they have Mira exchange, which is the exchange I used originally. I'm gonna use that today as well to get some assets, and then I'm gonna be going on the Fluid protocol. Fluid protocol is a native decentralized stablecoin on Fluid. Why am I bullish on stablecoins? I'm bullish on stablecoins for multiple reasons. Anyone who's paying attention to the cycle knows how stablecoins have been getting a lot of traction. Even like Ripple just launched their own stablecoin recently. Tether is huge. Tether is making more money than basically 95% of companies in the world right now, with like a really small team. That's the power of stablecoins. It's such an in-demand asset that they make a lot of money, and this is going to be the native stablecoin on Fuel. So I think that's bullish. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to Mira Exchange. Okay, this is Mira Exchange. All right, I'm going to launch the Dapp, connect my wallet. So now I'm going to be connecting my Fuel wallet. Here we go. This is the wallet I just sent funds to. Asked me to confirm some stuff. Cool. I guess it's because my first time connecting this wallet to this exchange. It's asking me some questions. Cool. As you can see here, it's reading my balance. I'm going to be buying USDF. USDF is the stable coin I was just referring to for the Fluid protocol. So here I'm going to put in, I'm going to probably try to get $100. Okay, I have to enter it on this side. Oh no, it loaded up. Okay. So here, I'm gonna do this swap. When you guys do swaps on this exchange, because there's not a lot of liquidity on Fuel yet, be careful. Look at your price impact so you know that you're getting what you put in. So I'm trading $100 for 100 USDF. Cool. USDF. I like the name of that. USD Fluid. Man, if Fluid takes off, assets like this are gonna be very valuable. And here we go. Let's see. Let's see how this goes. This is my first transaction with this wallet. Okay. A lot going on here. I'm not really sure, but we're gonna do it anyway. It says like here, show me the order route. Anyway, it's asking me to view transaction. Let me close this out. Now I have the 100, so that's all that matters. Balance went from 0.1 to 0.07. I'll show you guys in the wallet. Okay. So now I have USDF and I have this Ethereum left. Cool. That's what I wanted. Now we're gonna go. This was on the Mira protocol, guys. This is the DEX. They're gonna have a phase 2 of the airdrop, Fuel airdrop. So if you guys want to come over to Mira, you could add liquidity here, and you can add liquidity to these pairs, and you can then qualify for the next airdrop, which is what I did originally. With another wallet, because the way I did it the first time, like I explained, is I had my EVM wallet, and then they assigned me a Fuel wallet, and I bridged over from my EVM to that Fuel wallet. Never really used the actual Fuel wallet though. I'm just talking about a Fuel address. So they took it from my EVM to my Fuel address. Then I was able to deposit funds from my Fuel address and qualify for those rewards. So hopefully that makes sense. So now we're gonna go to Fluid Protocol, which is the protocol for the Fluid, the USDF token, the native stablecoin on Fuel. One thing that stuck out to me, guys, is Animoca Brand's huge brand. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the Mocha token. Just came out like 2 days ago. It's doing great. Animoca Brand is like a gaming type of company within the Web3 space. Really respected brand. And Maelstrom. I don't know if you guys know who Arthur Hayes is, but he's like one of the probably richest guys in crypto right now, and he's the head of Maelstrom. He hasn't started talking about Fluid yet, but that means if he's backing it, he's gonna start talking about it eventually. That's what he does. Right now, he's focused on one of his babies, which is Athena Protocol, um, Athena Labs. Let me just show you guys that. This is another stablecoin product. They actually have USDE, 6 billion supplied. They're doing really, really well, guys. I'm not gonna lie. This is another reason why I'm bullish on USDF is because I'm seeing how well. Here you see. Today we're launching our stablecoin product, USDTB, backed by BlackRock's Middle Fund. So Athena is working with BlackRock. Right. So, okay. As you guys can see here, Athena's a huge project, guys. Not something to sleep on. I can see Fluid Protocol picking up same level. So okay, let's go. I've already swapped into USDF, so we're gonna launch the app now. Okay, this is the app. This is what happens when you click launch app. I just had the tab open. They have a borrow section where I guess you can deposit assets, fuel different variations of ETH. This is staked ETH. This is wrapped ETH. These are all like either staking or liquid staking ETH derivatives that you can use, and you got fuel as well, obviously. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna earn. Sorry, guys. Okay. What we're gonna do here, as you can see, they're showing me my 100 USDF here. We're gonna deposit it. Why are we depositing it? We're depositing it because when you deposit USDF in the stability pool, you earn fuel and different variations of ETH, like I just said, and also the FTP token. So this is, come on, where we're staking a stablecoin and earning 28% yield in different assets. This is actually really cool, guys. I don't want you guys to sleep on this. I could see this having some legs in the next year once this L2 starts to really pick up. Like I said, it's brand new, 2 days old. So let's go. Let's see what happens here. Okay, this is one thing I'm not gonna not say I don't like, but it's just very complex, right? It's making you overthink the transaction, but we're not gonna overthink. We're just gonna submit it. I just wanted to explain that. That was really quick too, guys. If you notice, very fast L2. Everything's here. Wow. Okay, it's showing me everything already. My USDF deposited, and here are what I'm earning. All these assets, man. Why am I earning these assets? All right, let me try to explain this in a way that people can understand. Okay, so depositing USDF in the stability tool is an effective way to gain exposure to their collateral. Basically, meaning that because when people borrow USDF, they have all these assets they can put up. They can say, okay, I want to put in 1 ETH and I want to get access to X amount of, USDF, right? Like I bought mine off the market, but I could have just staked the ETH and got it as well. which is actually cool. Like imagine I just, instead of trading my ETH, I hold my ETH, I borrow USDF, and then I deposit that USDF, and then I earn fees. So that's a cool way to leverage your capital as well. I don't really go too deep into borrowing lending, guys. I'm more like a liquidity provider. I like to stake, but just want to break it down. So basically, whenever people these positions get liquidated, which, so let's say, all right, we're not going to go into that right now, but just want to show you guys why I'm earning. Basically, when these positions get liquidated, I get these assets that are, I get the collateral from the liquidated positions. See that? And that's why I'm earning all those assets. But I'm also going to be earning the FTP token, so, which I guess is their fluid protocol token, which sounds good. Like I said, I don't know if it's live yet, but we'll see, because I should be earning it now. Sorry, let me go back. So I should be earning it now, and I'm gonna keep you guys posted on how this is going. I definitely think you guys should take advantage of the opportunity. It's a good project, guys. A lot of money went into this, a lot of time and effort, a lot of tech. So don't sleep on this. Hope everybody enjoyed this video, and we'll be back soon with another one. Peace.